Welcome to a new video. The first item of today are some Supreme chopsticks. They were about $3.83. The quality of them is very nice. I mean, they're chopsticks, more of an accessoire, and yeah, the color looks good. I don't want to open them because they are not mine, but for €4 they're a nice gift for someone, for example. So next up we got then some Cartier glasses. Each of them were about $14. One with black glasses and one with blue glasses. As you can see, the packaging is very good. They also came with a cleaning towel, also Cartier on it. The box is really good, the quality felt nice. As you can see, also the logo is inside. It's magnetic. And now we came to the product. As you can see, the quality is really good. It's also real wood. The engraving is right. Also on the little gold thing behind it is Cartier inside, as you can see here. Now we come to the one with the blue glasses. As you can see, it's also really good wrapped, so it's protected. I like the one with the blue glasses more and the light color wood. Next up we got some Palm Angels shorts. They were about $12. The quality of them is really good. I give them a 9 out of 10. The tag looks alright. There are only a few issues, but that you can remove with a scissor. The quality is insane for $12. Now let's put them away and then we come to the next item. The next item are two EricEmmanuel shorts. One with the blue colorway and the orange tag. They are really thin, they are about $5. The tag looks fine. For gym shorts, they're absolutely the same color quality. Now we come to the black one with the red tag. Same seller, so same quality, no issues. Overall a good product. So next up we got the Palestine. The Palestine was about $8.9. It's a thin shirt, so for the summer. Tag looks good. Also in the back there's a big print. Good quality, looks nice. The tag also looks fine. And yeah, now let's put it away. And next up we got some McDonald's Cactus Jack hoodie in the color black. The back print is really nice. It's the same quality, is the same as the Lucky Me As He Goes hoodie. Also in the front it's really good. The tag inside also looks alright. It's also true to size. Here we have the 100% cotton tag. Really good hoodie. So then next up we got a Ferrari jacket, a vintage racing jacket. As you can already see, some flaws there, but the horse in the back is really good. The stitching is insane. Overall quality is like a 9.5 out of 10. It's about $19.94, and for that price it's a nice vintage racing jacket. Also on their arms there are some branding. In the inside we have a little pocket with the zip. The only issue with the jacket is the zip. The quality of the zip is a little bit cheap, but it's still a 9 out of 10. Also on the shoulders there's some branding. Okay, let's put it away, and next up we got OffWhite jacket. This one was about $43. It's a really good product. It's a 10 out of 10, straight up. The print in the back is insane. Also the little jewels are insane quality. In the front you can see also Abloh for Virgil Abloh, really nice. In the number 23, AC Milan. On the other hand is the OffWhite branding with Virgil Abloh. Quality is absolutely insane, I can recommend that one. As you can see on the chest there's some branding as well. In the inside we have the OffWhite tag with the QR code. Inside we got the OffWhite tag and also a pocket. Overall, really good quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see us in the next video. Thanks for watching.